Hey, it's Bill Powers, and I am in beautiful, sunny Monroe, North Carolina. Actually, it's not all that beautiful or sunny. We're expecting the storm come in here any day now. And I just handled a what we call a 50B. Lawyers call it a 50B because that's the statutory reference. The formal name is called a Domestic Violence Protective Order, a DVPO. And those type of cases are deceptively complicated because of several different reasons. One, there's a fair amount of emotion involved, as you might imagine, when there's a domestic dispute and someone is seeking a restraining order, or a type of restraining order, TRO, some people call it, where one person is to stay away from another person. Sometimes they're reciprocal. So there's emotion involved. Sometimes there are kids involved, and there can be temporary rulings that can affect, at least in the short term, things like child custody, who has the house or primary dwelling, what level of contact, if any, you get with those different people in a relationship, including your children. And then there's somewhat odd things occasionally. Maybe odd's not a fair word, but the other type of children, some people call their pets. And the transfer of pets can be complicated because if an order is in place directing someone to stay away from another party, how do you get that animal to the other side? And it's not like going into a house necessarily with the sheriff's department and gathering your belongings, although that's a possibility. Sometimes there are transfer issues, and most lawyers really don't get involved with taking possession of the cat or dog or anything like that. General ideas to remember or think about is, one, don't just do something. In life, we sometimes hear the saying, don't just stand there, do something. In the law, it's oftentimes don't just do something, stand there, get information. Don't just hope for the best. If there's a pending restraining order against you and there needs to be a transfer of an animal or getting your personal belongings, seek legal counsel, seek out an attorney, get some advice. If there's an order against you, there may be ways to work through the sheriff's department in the local jurisdiction, like the Union County Sheriff's Department, where you're afforded an opportunity to get into the house with the sheriff's department being there with you and gathering your belongings. That could take some time, especially when you've got furniture and TVs and things like that. The key is one, not to effectuate self-help. Two, to seek legal counsel. It really is beneficial in these type of cases because a violation of a protective order is a serious criminal charge in North Carolina. In fact, it's classified as a Class A1 misdemeanor. Each violation can be a separate criminal charge, and that carries a maximum of 150 days in custody, which is a big deal. And they don't play. If you violated a restraining order, it's not just a matter of being potentially held in contempt of court. What we really see more often than not is a new criminal charge, violation of domestic violence protective order. Either way, if you ever have a question in Monroe about something like this or want some legal help, give us a ring. May be able to help. We'd first want to do a conflicts check. And looks like the rain's coming down on me a little bit, so I'll cut this a little bit more short. But our telephone number is 704-342-HELP. And hope you have a great day.